We did a Dell keyboard, and it's our product analysis by myself and Kai.
Functions, use cases, and price. This keyboard is designed to be used with the Dell computers that they are shipped with, or standalone. They have a full set of media keys that make it optimal for uses in an office or professional environment. The keyboard retails at a price of $19.99 on Dell's website or can be shipped with their computers.
The product manufacturing process and life cycle, the plastic components are made with cheap to manufacture ABS plastic injection molding. After the parts are molded, they are sent into an assembly line where they are individually pieced together and then sent to be tested. The keyboard is designed to be cheap to create durable and durable and long-lasting after the keyboard makes it to EOL or is replaced. It can easily be disposed of as it consists of mostly plastic pieces.
Keyboard connection sheet. This is the sheet that connects all the keys together. It functions like a regular PCB, being able to conduct electricity through the traces that are embedded within the plastic. This allows for a cheap and durable way to connect all the keys together to be connected to the main circuit board.
What's a PCB stand for?
Printed circuit board.
Keyboard and front plate. The front plate acts as the main display and bracket for all of the keycaps to be set in. All of the keys are clipped into the front plate, so they are difficult to remove.
Keyboard wiring acts as a way to connect from the main circuit board to the computer, and the inputs to the keyboard or the computer, so that's the USB port, and that is where it connects to the circuit board.
The keyboard base plate acts as a way to hold all of the components together in an organized fashion and does not allow them to move around.
The keyboard membrane is what sits in between the keycaps and the plastic sheet. The purpose of the rubber is to act as an insulation that adds a tactile feel to the keys and a long-lasting durability to the internals.
The keyboard printed circuit board, the main PCB acts as a way to connect all of the keys together and translate the signal onto something that the computer will understand. On the left side, you can see where the plastic sheets connect with the PCB to transfer the signals from the keystroke. The bottom of it is the 4-pin header where the cable is connected to the computer USB cable.
Keyboard keycap acts as the main way for the person to interact with the keyboard and the computer. Each key is labeled to the function that they provide, as in the S, that stands for S. Part number 1, keyboard baseplate physical properties. You can see here, continuity test. Plastic design means it's not conductive, it is also not magnetic. These are the plastic. Hardness, the cheap ABS plastic design allows for it to scratch easily. Some numbers there in the hand flexion text is very not durable. You could probably snap it in half with not much strength at all. Next slide. That is the multi-view drawing. Keyboard is likely made by the injection molding process and using ABS plastic to do so. The first step of creating a keyboard is using a 3D modeling software to create the mold needed for the injection process. Once the machinery needed is set up, the heated ABS plastic is injected into the mold and then pressed. Once the mold is done and is pulled out, the excess is cut and added to a pile to be reused. This means that the keyboard is extremely cheap and efficient to make while keeping quality somewhat decent. ABS plastic is a recyclable material, which means that the keyboard can also be recycled.
So part 2 design process is one of the keycaps. It's non-conductive because it's made of plastic, and due to the plastic, the keyboard is not magnetic. For hardness, the ABS plastic is cheaper and it can scratch easily. And then density, volume, mass, surface area, all there on the video. And then the hand flexure test, I mean, you can't really bend the keycap because it's too small, but if you could, it'll just break. multi-view drawing, that's the word. And then the isometric view is upside down, so the other way you like really couldn't see anything on it. And that was all very detailed. And then the design process, the keys are made with the same injection molding process. The heated ABS is injected in the pre-made molds and then pressed and cooled. And once it's done, it's pulled out, excess is cut off and added to a pile to be reused. And the injection molding makes it cheap and efficient to make while keeping everything uniform, and it's ABS is recyclable. All done.
That's it? Do you guys have sketches or anything, or?
Nope.
Nope.
No, okay. All right.